Hi guys, welcome back to Wrector. Today we are gonna look at hook. So as what we see, we only have a resistance here. There is no proper support. So I'm gonna draw the resistance line. Let's go into a 4 hour, a small time frame. Let's quickly screen through. So we do have another resistance over here. I'm gonna mark that as well. There you go. Let's go to a time frame lower, to the 1 hour time frame. So what do we see here? So we do see a nice trend forming over here. We do have three bounce backs, one, two, and three. So that could be taken as a good support. We also could call this as a reversal pattern, which is an inverted rising flag. What else do we see here? We could add a fib. So I'm just gonna take the fib to the recent high because this pump wick is not valid. So we do see another support level below the 0.5 and the 0.618. So let's quickly look through our indicators right now. So the 4 hours, you do see oversold situation on the RSI and oversold situation on the Fisher. Let's go into the 1 hour. We're just bouncing back and forth. Yeah, so we don't have much analysis on hook, but depending on the interest, how like people are interested in hook these days. So most likely we are gonna have uh, a buy momentum on the Fibonacci retracement line. So my prediction for hook is we bounce right from the 0.5 level, or we go all the way down and then bounce from the 0.618 level. So that will be my prediction, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.